Center for Democratic Governance, they said that at least 637 people were killed by mob lynching. So this is the scenario. Hundreds and thousands of houses been set, burned, looted, vandalized. At the moment, they are trying to do a fraud election comprises of few parties and banning other popular parties. So Bangladesh needs to get back democracy, rule of law and justice. That's what we are fighting for.
So what support are you seeking, from the international community, and do you believe that the world is ready to listen to Bangladesh too?
I don't believe that the world is ready to listen to Bangladesh, because one of the report came from the Human Rights Commission on February 12th. That is the report. They mentioned that was not maintained their editorial policy as a UN standard. If they cannot maintain their standard, why they